Cost per engagement is an important model for advertisers because it means essentially that advertisers only pay for the performance. So rather than just somebody sitting back and watching the ad but not engaging with it, they actually only pay when somebody chooses to engage. So we've been doing this for some time at Tremor Video. We introduced cost per engagement pricing on desktop back in 2010, and we recently introduced it in mobile back in 2012. And we've had a lot of success there. It's partly down to our Video Hub ad server, and that we can find these people that want to engage, and also down to our strategy of attracting premium publishers, so we're engaging in the right environments, and we think that both of those are key to advertisers. What we're doing more recently is rolling out a new suite of performance products based off the back of the success from cost per engagement, which are cost per complete and view. So an advertiser only pays when somebody watches the ad in its entirety from beginning to end. So if it's a 30-second spot, the consumer has to watch it from beginning to end. And also we're giving them a guarantee that it's 100% viewable, which is pretty key, right? You have to be able to see an ad in order for it to be effective. What we're doing there is we're essentially offering an audited solution, because we're the only company right now in the video space that's been accredited by the MRC, the Media Ratings Council. So an advertiser can run a campaign with us across, they know that it's 100% viewable, and they know that it's completed in its entirety. So that's the cost per view and complete, which we think is going to go down a storm in the UK, and we're seeing a lot of interest already in the US. The other two products that we're introducing around the performance-based pricing are cost per conquest, so CPQ, and a conquest is if you're targeting a competitive set. Let's say, for example, you're in the market for a car, be it BMW or Mercedes or Land Rover. It's about finding audiences that are in that competitive set and shifting their mindset to consider other makes, say Jaguar, for example, if they're advertising with us or running a campaign. And the final product around performance-based is cost per brand shift, which we're calling CPS, and that's about shifting intent or purchase intent or favorability metrics towards any given brand, and that's the basic premise of that. So essentially what we're doing is we're putting the choice into the advertiser's hands or into the agency's hands and letting them choose on their terms what's important to them, and we're pretty proud of the fact that we can say to them, you know, you only pay when it works.
Okay, so how do they know that it works?
Well, we provide obviously reports. Some of them use our Video Hub ad server as enterprise solutions. They can see for themselves that people are engaging, or the brand shift is changing, the intent is changing over time. So we can either share that data with advertisers, or they can log into our dashboard and access that data themselves. Well, right now it's playing across all screens. We introduced it initially, as I said, back in 2010 on desktop, in 2012 on mobile, and it's just a natural progression from there, where it's now going on to connected TV as well. I should caveat that that's in the US at the moment, not in the UK. Video generally, globally, is growing very, very quickly. More and more consumers are watching online video across multiple devices. It's phenomenal, the growth rates. We expect the market to grow by 50% again next year. So there's a big opportunity for advertisers. There's a big opportunity for companies like Tremor Video to capitalize on this and to take our software and take our technology and ensure that we're driving results for brand advertisers.